Fossil fuels are carbon-rich energy resources formed through anaerobic decomposition of the buried remains of prehistoric plants, animals, and microorganisms under high temperature and pressure over millions of years within the Earth crust. These fuels, mainly coal, petroleum, and natural gas, are extracted and burned to generate heat, electricity, and mechanical energy. Their combustion releases energy but also produces carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas driving global warming and climate change. Fossil fuel types. Fossil fuels are classified into major categories based on their physical state, origin, and composition, each with distinct formation, processes, and applications. Primary types: coal, petroleum, and natural gas are the three major fossil fuels formed from terrestrial plants or marine organizations under pressure and heat over millions of years. Secondary forms: derivatives like kerosene, diesel, gasoline, LPG, and petrochemicals such as plastics and synthetic resins are produced through refining and processing of crude fossil fuels. Other sources: shale gas and oil sands represent unconventional fossil fuels extracted using advanced technology like hydraulic fracturing due to deeper and complex geological formations. Coal is a solid fossil fuel mainly composed of carbon formed from terrestrial plant material buried in swampy environments and transformed through coalification over millions of years. Types of coal: anthracite contains 80 to 90% carbon and is hardest. Bituminous holds 60 to 80% carbon. Lignite has 40 to 60% carbon and higher moisture. Peat is the earliest stage with lowest carbon content. Formation process: coal forms when dense vegetation in wetlands gets buried under sediments and undergoes compression and heating, gradually transforming into higher carbon forms through geological time. Distribution: China holds about 12% of global reserve. USA is second largest. India ranks third with Gondwana coal dominating regions like Jharkhand, Odisha, and West Bengal. Uses: coal is used in electricity generation and industrial fuel, metal smelting, and production of coke, coal tar, and coal gas for various industrial applications. Petroleum is a liquid fossil fuel formed from marine organisms buried under sediments and transformed into hydrocarbons through heat and pressure, commonly called black gold. Formation: dead marine organisms settled on sea beds got buried under sediments and converted into crude oil under high pressure and temperature over millions of years. Refining process: crude oil is refined into products like petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin, wax, and petrochemicals through fractional distillation in refineries. Global distribution: major reserves exist in Middle East region like Saudi Arabia, Iraq, and Iran. Also in USA, Russia, Venezuela due to ancient marine conditions. Indian scenario: oil discovered in Digboy 1869, ONGC established in 1956. Major fields include Bombay High, Gujarat, Assam, and Krishna Godavari Basin. Natural gas: natural gas is a clean gaseous fossil fuel primarily composed of methane formed alongside petroleum and independently in sedimentary rock formations. Composition: methane is the dominant component, making natural gas efficient and relatively less polluting compared to coal and petroleum-based fuels. Formation: marine microorganisms form organic rich mud which transform into kerosene and later into gas under temperature of 90 to 160 degrees centigrade through geological processes. Distribution: major global reserves are in Russia, Iran, and USA. In India, reserves are around 450 billion cubic meters, mainly in Bombay High, Assam, and KG Basin. Used in electricity generation, transportation as CNG, domestic cooking, and as a raw material for fertilizers and chemical industries. Shale gas: shale gas is an unconventional fossil fuel bound in sedimentary rocks extracted using advanced techniques like hydraulic fracturing. Nature: it is trapped in fine-grained shale rocks and requires artificial fracturing to release hydrocarbon, making extraction technologically complex and costly. Extraction method: hydraulic fracturing. Fracking creates cracks in rock layers, allowing gas to flow to the surface for collection and processing. Distribution in India: potential reserve exists in Cambay Basin, Gondwana formations, Krishna Godavari Basin, Kaveri Basin, and Assam Arakan region. Significance: provides additional energy security but raises environmental concerns due to water use, chemical exposure, and methane leakage risk. Fossil fuel policies: Policies related to fossil fuels aims to balance energy security, economic growth, and environmental sustainability amid rising global concerns about climate change. International frameworks, Paris Climate Agreement and United Nations Sustainable Development Goals 7 promote reduction in fossil fuel use and transition to clean energy sources globally. Energy transition. International Energy Agency recommended no new fossil fuel extraction project to meet climate targets and limit global warming impact in its 2021 report Net Zero by 2050. Indian context. India imports about 85% of crude oil, creating policy challenges related to energy security, Atmanirbharta, and diversification of energy sources. Fossil fuel challenges. Fossil fuel face multiple environmental, economic, and structural challenges due to their widespread use and associated impacts. Environmental impact. Burning releases CO2, contributing over 70% of greenhouse gas emissions, leading to global warming, ocean acidification, and climate change. Pollution effects. Air pollution from fossil fuels cost about 3% of global GDP and causes millions of deaths due to particulate matter and toxic gases. Resource depletion. Being non-renewable reserves are depleting rapidly compared to formation rate, creating long-term energy security concerns. Economic dependency. Countries like India depend heavily on imports, exposing economics to price volatility and geopolitical risk, especially in Middle East region. Fossil fuels significant. Fossil fuels have been central to global development, industrial growth, and modern lifestyle due to their high energy density and versatility. Energy production provides 77% of global energy and over 60% electricity, powering industries, household, and infrastructure across the world. Industrial development enable industrial revolution through steam engines, internal combustion engines, and large-scale manufacturing processes. Transportation, petroleum fuels power automobiles, railways, and aircraft, forming the backbone of global trade and mobility systems. Agricultural support, natural gas-based fertilizer support nearly 50% of global food production, making fossil fuels essential for food security and green revolution advancement.